In this video we are going to discuss what is auto transformer and welding transformer. Auto transformer. In an auto transformer, portions of the same winding act as both the primary and secondary sides of the transformer. The winding has at least 3 taps where electrical connections are made. Auto transformers have the advantages of often being smaller, lighter, and cheaper than typical dual winding transformers, but the disadvantage of not providing electrical isolation. An auto transformer has a single winding with 2 end terminals and 1 or more terminals at intermediate tap points, or a transformer in which the primary and secondary coils have part or all of their turns in common. The primary voltage is applied across 2 of the terminals, and the secondary voltage taken from 2 terminals, almost always having 1 terminal in common with the primary voltage. The primary and secondary circuits therefore have a number of windings turns in common. Auto transformers are often used to step up or step down voltages in the 110, 115, 120 volts range and voltages in the 220, 230, 240 volt range, for example. Providing 110 volt or 120 volt with taps from 230 volt input, allowing equipment designed for 100 or 120 volts to be used with a 230 volt supply. Welding transformer. A welding transformer is a step-down transformer that reduces the voltage from the source voltage to a lower voltage that is suitable for welding, usually between 15 and 45 volts. The secondary current is quite high. 200 to 600 amps would be typical, but it could be much higher. The secondary may have several taps for adjusting the secondary voltage to control the welding current. The taps are typically connected to several high-current plug receptacles or to a high-current switch. For welding with direct current, DC, a rectifier is connected to the secondary of the transformer. There may also be a filter choke, inductor, to smooth the DC current. The entire transformer and rectifier assembly may be called a transformer or welder, but welding power supply would be more appropriate term.